How to find Discord ID on mobile. So if you want to find your Discord ID on your mobile, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Discord application. After opening your Discord, you need to go with You section, which will be on the bottom, or just simply go with your profile. From your profile, you need to go with settings, which will be on the top. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of advanced. Once you find the advanced option, tap on it and make sure that your developer mode is turned on. Now, once you do turn on your developer mode, you need to go back and head over to any server that you're comfortable with. Now, here, just simply go with a channel, any channel that you're comfortable with, and then go and send a message. Now, click on your profile, which will be on the left side, and then click on the three dots, which will be on the top right. As you can see, that you'll find some options, which is you will find copy username or copy user ID. So if you want to find your Discord ID, you need to tap on copy user ID, and your user ID had been copied. Now you can go back to your Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, or any application where you would like to send your Discord ID. Simply paste it and send. That's it. That's how you can find the Discord ID on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.